Hey, what's going on, everyone? Thanks for tuning back into my channel, The Always Improving Garage. Got an update on the Clark toolbox. Stuff here for batteries and fuses, battery terminals, battery terminal cleaner, side terminal tool. There's a bunch of miscellaneous stuff there. Miscellaneous bulbs. Just got a couple things for tires here. Wheel studs, valve stems, lug nuts, valve core tool. Fuel line disconnects. Just some random vacuum caps and vacuum line. Drill bits and picks. Torques. E-torques and triple squares. Recently picked up this set here from VIM. These are all low profile 1/4 inch drive. These can really come in handy. These I just recently picked up from Icon. We got the ball end, long Allen's, standard and metric, and then below it I got just the regular ends here. It's the Tecton set. Down here we got sockets. This was actually the first toolbox I've ever had, so at one point this is where I kept all my sockets. Now it's more just like 12-point sockets, standard sockets, things I don't really use a whole lot anymore, just kind of overflow. Recently picked up some new sets from Tecton. We got the 1/4 inch drive, 12-point. I got the metric and standard, shallow and deep. So we got good coverage there. Okay, then we got 3/8 drive, Sunex, spare Tectons. There's just some really cheap sockets in the back, some random miscellaneous sockets. Then 1/2 inch drive. This is where I keep my axle nut sockets. Okay, on the bottom, this is one of the older Tecton metric sets here. These are just random wrenches I've acquired over time. Standard wrenches. Got the USA made Craftsman set. And old school Tecton standard set here. Here we got large standard wrenches, everything above 1 inch to 2 inch. Got most of these at a garage sale for a really good deal, which is good because I don't really use those a whole lot anyway. This is a metric tap and die set. Back here is my standard tap and die set. We also got things for just thread measuring and extractors. Got a NPT set here. Doing pipe threads. Then I recently picked up this Doyle pipe cutter. Works really good. Here he's got some things for building engines. Piston ring filer, piston ring compressor, spark plug gapper, cylinder hone, plastic gauge, valve lapping tools, etc. And on the bottom we just got a bunch of hammers. Alright, that's going to do it for this one, guys. Thanks for watching.